So today's Thursday pro tip is going to be about your controllers. So I'm going to calibrate a green controller, but I wanted to show you why picking a solid colored roundish controller can be better than picking something green that also has some other colors in it. And yes, it's kind of roundish, but not my favorite controller. So I'm going to calibrate my bowling pin and then I'm going to show you how I know the bowling pin works better than my Scotch tape. So you can see this nice big white star on my bowling pin. That's letting me know that I've got a great connection between my controller and my camera. If I would rather hold up this Scotch tape, I do have a white star on my tape, but it's kind of picking all different areas of the Scotch tape. It's bopping around and it doesn't really know what part of the tape that it wants to use. So I wanted to show you for reference that my green controller is better because you see that nice big white star. No matter what I do with my controller, it's not leaving me at all. You can see when I put both of my controllers down, it's picking up my green shirt. So that's also a part of my pro tip is to don't pick the color that you're wearing. So 3 tips in one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this pro tip and have a great day.